Hey there, does it happen to you sometime that you want to remove a piece of content, maybe it's a page or a blog post inside HubSpot, and what you find is that you want to remove this from the public view, but you don't want to particularly delete that thing from your entire system. So what can be done in such a case? Yes, enter archives. So today we are going to tell you how you can archive a blog post or page inside HubSpot. So guys, in order to archive content inside HubSpot, what you need to do is firstly log into your HubSpot dashboard. Once that is done, now click on content, click on blog. Once you click on blog, you can see there are a lot of posts here. Almost all of the posts are published. Firstly, I have to select which post I want to archive. For example, if I want to archive this blog post 6, I hover on this post and then I click on more. And here there's the option to archive this. I click here. I can archive this or I can archive and unpublish this post. If you click on just the archive button, what it does is moves the content to archive section. But if you click on archive and unpublish, then it moves the content to archive section as well as moves it to draft status as well. So I just want to archive my content. I'll click on archive and this was successfully done and my blog post was archived. Now, in order to archive a page, you can click on content, then click on website pages. So you'll be greeted by all of the pages on your website. Maybe I want to just archive this test page. I click on more and there's the option to archive it. And I can archive and unpublish it or archive it just like before. Maybe I want to move this to my drafts as well this time around. I'll click on archive and unpublish. And my page was successfully archived and unpublished. Now this can be done for something inside the knowledge base as well. Let's see how it can be done. So in order to do this, firstly click on content and then click on knowledge base. Here you would be greeted by the things which are inside your knowledge base. For example, we have a hello world post which is in draft and I can archive this as well. If I click on archive, it would be archived and it will also be unpublished, which means that it will be removed from drafts as well. So I can just archive this and it's gone. And in case I want to visit my archived content, so inside all articles, there's this option called as archived. I can click here and see the content that I had archived just now. Similarly, inside HubSpot, you can archive email as well. So for doing this, click on marketing and then click on marketing email. Here, you'd be greeted by all of the marketing emails that you might have made. So just besides the email, there's the option for actions. You can click on archive and the email would be moved to the archive filter and we can always remove it later if we want to, and we click on archive and the job is done. So guys, I hope this was easy to follow, and in case you are still running into any sorts of issues, feel free to reach out to us via the comment section below. If you are trying to build something awesome of your own, a custom project or something else, and you need our help, we are just one call away. You can book a free one-on-one consultation call right now via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys soon in the very next video.